Hello and welcome to Asian Petrolhead. Yesterday we attended world premiere of the new Genesis G90 and we'd like to share the design of the new car. And before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Now you're looking at new Genesis G90. The new Genesis G90 is considered as a facelift version of the first generation in Korea, which was called Equus 900. To briefly explain why, first Hyundai had its own flagship sedan called Equus, and after the launch of the Genesis brand, they start calling it Equus 900, fearing too much changes will cause problems. And finally, they start calling this car Genesis G90 in Korea, starting from this facelift version. Now we got the naming out of the way, let's check out the front design first. Enthusiasts probably seen this teaser image. Just like the image, new Genesis G90 features quad headlamp and big shield-like grille, which Genesis is calling it Crest grille. Genesis says they not only tried to make the car wide and substantial, but they said they really work hard not to over-design the car. Guys, let me know what you think about the new front design in the comment section. The turn signal is carried all the way to the side repeater. That's what Genesis is calling that line. I think it looks very unique. As far as the powertrain goes, it's got same 3.8 liter, 3.3 twin turbo and 5 liter V8. All three engines are mated to 8-speed automatic. Because it's a facelift version, side profile hasn't changed all that much except new 19-inch rims. Genesis says the new rim incorporates its new G-matrix design. I was not sure what the G-matrix was, so I asked one of the officials and he said they got the design inspiration from the reflection of diamonds when it's lit up. Confusing, right? I think they're just referring to the multi-spoke design on the new rims. Interior also has changed a bit. Now they have used same color material right next to the navigation screen to make it look more wide. And they also have decreased number of buttons for media and climate control system. Genesis also have added few tech updates inside as well. Now the navigation can be automatically wirelessly updated over the air OTA way, so it should be very convenient. Introduced by Kia K900 first, but G90 will now automatically close windows and recirculate the climate control before entering a tunnel. Very smart. And last but my favorite feature is that the heated and ventilation seats will work with climate control system. So on hot days, ventilation seats, and on cold days, heated seats will automatically be turned on. And even on cold days, the heated steering will be turned on. Very nice. I think that is luxury. Second row seats do not show much changes, but it still shows very roomy and comfortable backseat. It also hosts every comfort features you can imagine. Now let's check out the rear design. In the center, it's got dual tail lamp design. The bottom one stretching all the way to the center. Some say it looks like Lincoln's tail lamp. Guys, let me know what you think about the new tail lamp design in the comment section. The license plate has moved to the bottom. Now it's got Genesis lettering in the middle. It also features dual exhaust tip, mimicking looks of Crest grille. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back with more detailed review of the Genesis G90. And before you leave, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.